هذا يوم لا ينطقون.
That will be a day when they shall not be able to speak.
ولا يؤذن لهم فيعتذرون.
Nor will it be open to them to put forth pleas.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe that day to the rejectors of truth.
هذا يوم الفصل جمعناكم والأولين.
That will be a day of sorting out. We shall gather you together and those before you.
فإن كان لكم كيد فكيدون.
Now, if you have a trick or plot, use it against me.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe that day to the rejectors of truth.
إن المتقين في ظلال وعيون.
As to the righteous, they shall be amidst cool shades and springs of water.
وفواكه مما يشتهون.
And they shall have fruits, all they desire.
كلوا واشربوا هنيئا بما كنتم تعملون.
Eat you and drink you to your heart's content, for that you worked righteousness.
إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين.
Thus do we certainly reward the doers of good.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe that day to the rejectors of truth.
كلوا وتمتعوا قليلا إنكم مجرمون.
O you unjust, eat you and enjoy yourselves but a little while, for that you are sinners.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe that day to the rejectors of truth.
وإذا قيل لهم اركعوا لا يركعون.
And when it is said to them, prostrate yourselves, they do not so.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe that day to the rejectors of truth.
فبأي حديث بعده يؤمنون.
Then what message after that will they believe in?